and welcome to my video. I am Creatively Kai, and today I'll be telling you how you can still be an influencer slash content creator in 2025. I'll be going through Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest, and YouTube slash YouTube Shorts because that's where I'm good at. I will start at Instagram because I got my first PR package at 64 followers. I currently have 410 posts, 323 followers, 810 following, and my professional dashboard is 20.5 thousand views in the last 30 months. It was so close to 30 or 30 stats. And don't mind my phone, it's the screen protector that's dirty. And this is my Creatively Kai account, and this is proof that I created this account in October of 2023 and October, I think, not November. I think I said October. And this is how many followers I have gained since then. It'll be almost 2 years since I've been on this account. I'm trying to hit 1,000 by the end of the year. And as you can see, my bio has everything it needs, especially the email. If you know anything about wanting to be a content creator, you know you need your email address in the bio for brands to reach out. It's very true from brands such as Grande Cosmetics. I'll add in the email. House Labs, I add in the email, and plenty more brands that I use for this being my business slash content creator email. I added a little bit of information in here about me just in case agencies, brands, or anything like that wants to reach out. I'm 22 years old. Purple emoji to add some type of flair. My name, Creatively Kai, and then it's like a line. Then influencer, so brands could find influencers. Then you can see I have creator. So I have several ways for brands to reach me with keywords. Philippians chapter 4, verse 6 through 7. Excuse me. Ooh, I got over a little cold not so long ago. My stats for 2.2 million plus views across the 4 platforms I am on, not including the other ones. Beauty, lifestyle, tech creator just tells people what I'm doing and what you'll find on this page. I am the founder of UFP Planner, which is what I was just talking about. That is my digital stationery company on Etsy now, ufplanner.etsy.com. And these are this is me. So there's stats for that too, but we won't go into how to start a business video today. College grad, because I'm really proud to be a college graduate, and my family, I'm not the first, but I am very proud to be a college graduate from the Liberty University, and I'm a returning student, and I will be graduating again soon. Pictures coming to Instagram near you. So adding some emojis to give it some type of personality. And here are my videos. So we have a personalized video, matcha.
Like she has it all together. Don't be fooled. She once had...
Here we have my planner. This video did really well, and I'm very proud of this. Is my top viewed video reel on Instagram, which is at 6,885 views. And I use keywords that really help me to do the call to action. So say, do I have 10 seconds to change your mind about digital planning, and then me graduating, because I'm very proud of this. So there's a pen. Liberty University. I'm very proud of that degree. Okay, so with those videos, you may be wondering, well, that one only has 378 and your matcha has 606. Why did you pin those instead of more content that has over 1,000? Well, for my main grid, I wanted personality. I wanted some of the first things you saw was me being hardworking, me loving tech, and loving matcha. Showing personality really helps. You don't have to niche down into just food, just student, or just planning. You can do whatever you want to do and find your audience through there. That's what I do. I've never niched down. I started off posting twice a week, twice, only twice a week is what I did. But I've been posting every day because I have content still from March. Batch content, batch, batch, batch. That's your number one friend. Whatever you are doing, record it. I don't believe everything is content, but I do believe whatever you feel can be content, make it. Even the stuff that's in your house, create the content. And the video that did well for me this week was a thought I had in the shower. This is how simple it is to be a content creator, which was my Super Bowl for the Summer I Turned Pretty. If you are Team Conrad, then you would know that we were waiting for episode 5 for Conrad narrated the episode because episode 4 was wonderful. So I was like, let me do the Super Bowl thing, get some clips of me with my Apple Watch on with the Summer I Turned Pretty wallpaper. I'm actually going to change that now because I filmed the video. And this is like my dream life one. So we're going to play this video and it's just going to show you like just clips. I just took a couple clips off of TikTok. Then this was my whiteboard Conrad's POV because that was my highlight in August. My Apple Watch with the Summer Turned Pretty white wallpaper. My bed made up ready. An Amazon Prime showcasing the episodes how I'm waiting for 3 a.m. to watch. And the final clip of my favorite scene from season 2, the hot cocoa scene. So that's almost at 2K views on Instagram. And that's just how I do. I post on my stories every day. And this is something I personally do, which is add Bible verses every day because I want people who come to my page to get the word of God, because I feel like that's my purpose here in life, is to serve and give the word of God to people. I haven't been posting as much on my stories as I would like, but then I repost my reel and people like it from here, which was my wallpaper, my whiteboard final video for August. I do iPhone, iPad, desktop, which is an HP that I'm currently using. I used to do my MacBook, but it broke back in October. But I will be getting a new one soon. Shout out to my mama for giving me my graduation gift from graduating last year. And then I'm graduating again. She said she gave me another gift. So shout out to mama. My mama, I love her so much. Not just for gifts, because she is everything and more that I could ask for in a parent. And I'm grateful for her. So that's just thanks to my mom. My mom helps me too. She'd be like, reach out to this brand, reach out to that brand. If it wasn't for my mom, I wouldn't have got these watch bands for free in PR because I was going to buy them myself. She's like, I watched this content creator and she got Apple Watch bands, so reach out to bands first before you buy them. And sure enough, she's like my mom manager as well. It's all me. I reach out to brands and my mama gives me ideas as well. So again, shout out to my mama. She's everything plus more that a girl could ask for. She's almost like my best friend. So that's my Instagram. I usually post more fun stories. Like, let me go. I got story highlights. I need to update them for May, but I haven't. But I know I have concerts or something fun. I love Chris Brown, so I post that. You can post whatever you want in a professional way and have a little fun. And if you want to keep some things reserved for your friends, just post it on your close friends. Music. Okay. Chris Brown, I wish I could go. So people that know me know I love Chris Brown and I want to go to the concert so bad. So Sabrina, I love music. So you can see I have personality. You can show a lot of your personality. Self-love. And let's see, what's my most recent one? Content. So I did the Ulta Beauty Collective. I really hope I get in. So I'm going to be posting a lot more of my Ulta content to get them to see, because they just closed the application. So I don't know if they're going to be looking through it or what. Already have. But I do a lot of PR June 2025 plus. So I had to create a new one because my other PR got full. What a blessing. And I have my Threads app. Whatever social media platform you could get on to grow, do that. I have music, Ain't Done by Blast. So, let's see. It should be able to play. So, I do. One of one. What I look like giving up? Are you dumb? I claim my whole thing, not a crumb. I got work to get to, man. I ain't done. And that goes for school, content, being an entrepreneur, and just being a good person too. And then you can see. So yeah, this is my Instagram. I follow a lot of people because they follow me back too. There's a lot of TV shows I follow, music artists, artists I follow. So yeah, my following is pretty big. I didn't really like that at first, but I was like, I'll cap it like 1,000 something. I won't ever go over 2,000. I don't think. But that is my Instagram. We're gonna go to TikTok next. TikTok won't take long. I'm at 200. I'm at 201 followers. I'm following 485, and this is private. I like how TikTok keeps your following private. Not that I have anything to hide, it just keeps it a bit more professional. I wish Instagram would do that feature. And I'm at 3,853 likes. My highest video was my muffin video, 13.9K. And this was the demure trend.
I'm very demure. But I mix them both because I'm what?
And we have my second pin that I personally loved, that I was happy to did, was my Apple WWDC content. I'm very big on tech. I'm a tech nerd, geek, whatever you want to call me. I love tech. I love sitting in my house with my tech devices and having a good time. So here's my Apple WWDC coverage for 2025. So this is me. This is what I like to post. And lastly is the Summer Intern Pretty video. Repost everything. Every time you post to your platforms. If you post on Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest, YouTube, you only have to post to those 3 accounts and auto publish to your Pinterest, and everything from your Instagram will publish to your Pinterest. And this one has 7,508 views, almost 10,000 views on the same video, because there's a lot more people that love the Summer Intern Pretty on TikTok. I watch the videos all the time, so people vibed with it. 165 likes because I thought of this in the shower and actually filmed it. Got my little sister to help me. Like, shout out to her too. And they really helped me on my journey. And these are just videos. I've posted this is a testament. Post all your content, even if it's from years ago. I filmed my MacBook Air 2020 video in August of 2020. I never did post it to my YouTube. That's really what I wanted to go to. But once I watched it, it wasn't long enough, so I turned it into short form content. And it's at 285 views, and it's saying, if you are still wondering, me setting it up in 2020 because I wanted to post it to my YouTube, but I didn't start my YouTube channel then, as you can see. Okay, I'll figure that out later. But on my TikTok, I'm trying to post more stories now. I haven't been doing that, so I'm posting my Bible verses on here as well, and then reposting my posts. So since I get on TikTok, it's music. So yeah, I follow people, they follow me back. I'm making a lot of connections as far as life. People like my repost. Hey, so people like my story, and then people like my videos, so I get to see. And TikTok has been my best platform as far as engagement, but how I get my PR is mainly through Instagram. I'm ready to hit 1,000 followers on Instagram, on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, for different reasons. Instagram to get more paid collaborations, TikTok to get into the TikTok creator shop so I can get the free samples of the items, YouTube so I can get monetized once I hit 4,000 watch hours, and then Pinterest would be just for fun. I'm already at 500. So we're gonna go to YouTube last because my shorts. I'm gonna go to Pinterest. Pinterest is fun. Most girls know it and love it, and a lot of the reasons I grow and have 233,000 monthly views is from my organic pins. And see, it's really the same bio consistently through Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest. And 557 followers and 292 I am following. So I don't follow as many people on here. And here are my my impressions, my total audience, and engaged audience. And we're gonna go to my impressions because some of these are things that I download and then repin. So like this has helped me the most, which are these purple AirPod Max that I want, and it has over 121,000 views. So that helps my monthly views go up, which is something I just reposted. So I love that, and it's really tech. So it's that iPhone 16 Pro Max that I want in the camera, and that's really my Pinterest. Everything I post on Instagram directly uploads to Pinterest, and I just been pinning my images that I create every month. So these are my boards, and I've been on Pinterest for years, so it's a lot of pins. So this is just a place of inspiration and really my fun social media. Now for YouTube, how I get most of my views is from shorts, but my top video is my Apple Watch Series 10 unboxing. I love Apple, and that's my